Today, I'm addressing a question from one of my subscribers. How do you manage to live life to the fullest at 28 years old and afford anything you want? Joseph, who's been following my Telegram live sessions for a while, wants to start trading but doesn't have the time because of his demanding job. He has asked me to do my live sessions early in the morning. For those who don't know, my live sessions are public and anyone in my Telegram channel can see and follow along with my trades. Joseph needs some help and I'm more than happy to give it. Today we're going to come up with a fast, effective strategy. No more choosing between work and trading. Brew some coffee, wake up, stretch, and let's get started. Alright, let me trade a bit before going to work. Yes, you heard that right, I have a job besides trading. I work as a mentor on my Telegram channel and here on YouTube. Unlike exchanges, most over-the-counter markets operate 24 hours a day. This flexibility lets you choose trading time that fits your lifetime and schedule. It could be an hour before bed or even during lunch. Personally, I prefer the morning. Well, not necessarily morning. Everyone knows that the morning starts whenever you wake up. But I like the principle of the sooner the better, because the sooner you do it, the sooner you get to carry on with your day. Many of my strategies, which I regularly post on Telegram, are perfect for morning trading. For instance, this one. You can see the results on the screen. I've shared it recently and judging by the feedback, it exceeded all expectations. On my Telegram, I only share fresh trades, no outdated cases. My students, over 28,000 of them, often share their successes with me. I do live sessions where subscribers simply replicate my steps and stay in the black. The link to my channel is in the video description and the first pinned comment. Alright, let's kick off. Let's fire up the platform. Recently, someone asked me why I avoid trading the big names in the market. That question almost offended me, honestly. Only someone not paying attention could ask that. So today, I'm gonna go ahead and add Tesla and Microsoft shares to our morning trading session. These pretty big names, right? We'll start with 25 shares. Sure, we could ease into it with just 5, but you've seen me do that before. If you have not, check out my Telegram channel. For variety, we'll add some pairs. We need quick, clear, and predictable results. Today, we'll use the RSI indicator. It's simple yet powerful. If you know the market, RSI is almost all you need. If you're new, don't worry, I'm here to guide you. Setting the time frame to 1 minute and the candles to 30 seconds. Pretty standard. Let's go. Let's start with Tesla. RSI signals oversold conditions. We're expecting an upward rebound, so we press higher. Let's wait. Great. The rebound was small, but enough. This move nets me 23. Time for Microsoft now. The chart shows a decline, indicating a potential rise. RSI agrees. Let's not waste time. Higher we go. By the way, I share much more content on Telegram than on YouTube. Telegram is way more convenient for teaching trading. I interact with subscribers, do live sessions, and share various tips. Everything is set up for beginners. They follow my steps and see similar results. Last week, we made over 600 per person. Join us. Everything in my Telegram has been thoroughly tested and works flawlessly for smooth trading. The link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Alright, what's next? So I'm aiming for minimal risk here. Imagine ruining my session and going to work upset. No way. Let's pick something low risk. Let's take a look at the next pair. RSI indicates strong oversold conditions. I'm waiting for a rebound. Great start. We have not touched this pair yet. After the correction, there's an upward movement, so let's follow it. We made the right choice. 339 is a solid start for the morning. You could stop here and head to work in a good mood, but no, I got up early and still have time. We have options, so we don't need to wait for the perfect chart. Let's try Microsoft. We're hitting a resistance level, expecting a slight rebound. Well done. You know, I wanted to say this for a while. I apologize if I'm not very emotional, like, oh my God, I won, I did that, it's a miracle. For me, trading is all about experience and knowledge, clear indicators, cold calculations, and predictable results. Most subscribers get this, but it's worth saying out loud from time to time. I think you understand. There's not much time left, but we already have results. How is Tesla doing? The RSI indicator shows oversold conditions. I'm waiting for a rebound. Let's see. People often ask why I have not written a book yet. Sure, I have the experience and plenty of interesting cases to share, but writing takes a long time. Drafting, editing, proofreading, publishing, even an ebook would take forever. By the time it's out, it might be outdated. Trading is always changing. That's why I use Telegram. There's no junk, no internet-sourced advice on my channel. My content is my experience, my strategies, and the success stories of my students. Subscribers regularly trade with me and share how it helped them. Whether it's putting their daughter through college, buying a minivan for their parents, or traveling to Europe. So follow the link in the description. I explain everything simply enough for even total beginners to understand. Let's keep going. Here we can follow the trend down right after the correction ends. We got it right. See how the graph went down? I did it again. Time is ticking. I think I can make 2 or even 3 more trades. It's not just about the 20 minutes challenge, it's about maintaining concentration and avoiding fatigue. Today's session is intense, so we need to be careful and not make rash decisions. Let's revisit the previous pair. The movement is within a small channel, so I enter from the lower border and press higher. Yes, the trend was correctly identified. It feels almost indecent to brag. It was too obvious. For a second, it seemed the graph might go down, but the bigger picture showed an upward trend. If you want to learn to read charts quickly with a competent mentor, you could master that in a short time. Congrats, you've found one. If you want to avoid losing, just send me a private message on Telegram and we'll get started. The link to my Telegram is in the description and the first pinned comment. How's Tesla doing? Let's see. Yeah, after the correction, the RSI rebounded from the midline. I see that the downward trend will continue. Wonderful, another successful move. So I've been trading for a while without taking a break and I'm close to my limits. With every step, moral responsibility grows. The thoughts involuntarily pop into my head. No, I can't let it go down the drain with rash steps. What are we gonna do? I repeat, there's no need to take risks. You need to look where the trends are absolutely clear and trade there. What do we have on the Chinese Arab market? I think I see that we have reached a level. The RSI indicator is oversold, which means we're waiting for a trend reversal. Yes, now the morning can be considered fully completed. Let's see. 9,091. It was worth spending 10-15 minutes of your time on it, right? The experiment turned out to be very interesting. Even if a person has only half an hour a day, with my instructions, this is enough to boost your savings. In the process, I realized there's another, less obvious advantage from such trading. In my head, I'm thinking, okay, what else could I get done right now? Time's ticking. Your thinking is in the most concentrated state. This differs from the standard trading day by 6-8 hours. There are fewer trades, low returns, but this is only 10-15 minutes of time. Productivity is higher than the average hourly rate of, let's say, normal standard mode. And you have the whole day left for other things. Guys, if this is not a dream job, then I don't even know what to dream about. You know, the millionaire lifestyle can get old quickly. Or maybe it's not even about the millions. Sometimes you just want a simple, regular job without the big ambitions. Just kidding. Why so serious? My followers and I have learned that a new Ferrari or Lamborghini is just a short-term goal or even just a byproduct of aiming for something truly important. What could be more important? Personal freedom and security. No risks, no sketchy deals. That's not my style and it's not yours either. All my traits are visible on my Telegram channel and over 28,000 people already trust me. Recently, during a live session, my students followed my steps and made an average of 600 each. If you want to be the captain of your ship, not just a passive passenger, join us. Follow the link in the description. It's also in the first pinned comment. It's time to take control of your journey.